today I'm showing you how to do the roller roller. So what you want to do is like put some coins, okay? And you push the start button.
Challenge
Just
one.
click B. Just go to deal. Click point 2 times. Click start. Okay? And after that, you just spam start. Like spam start. And that's how you go to the training mode. And just get away with it. So I'm just gonna skip this. Okay, now from what you want to do, it says you need to get the shoot mode on. So if you're wondering how to get the shoot mode, I'm gonna show you how. Just click the option, click settings, and click this. Wait, I don't know how to, but you click this. And after that, you just click this, just scroll down until you find sheets. This thing. You just turn it on and click yes, and it's just gonna restart your game. Okay, now you just wanna click start and quit at the same time. You go to sheets, click B. Now just put this, and this. No, I don't know. This is picture game for my house. Okay, now we go here, put this game, go down. And you go to button 1, you just click B. Sometimes it doesn't work. But I'm trying to make it work. Wait, this is gonna take a long time. Okay, so you click B. And that's how you do it. Now just click exit 2 times. Now I'll show you how to do the live show and you roll it. First of all, just gotta look at the just do this. Click B. And here do the next one. Now the second is the roll. It's like the same as like the night show, but it's just like backwards. Yeah, pretty easy. So if that helped, make sure to like and subscribe. So yeah, bye.